Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent volatility here happening on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin literally just pumped up to almost $124,000 in about 3 hours, and then we had a big dip down below. So we can see here we touched the support line here, and now we basically just touched the support line again, and we went to $124,000 almost. Then we dipped down below. We also had the Powell speech today, and he didn't mention anything positive about quantitative easing or printing more cash. That's why the market's slowly going down right now. We are on a major support zone right now. We have to hold the support line, and I'm expecting a big bounce to the upside. So basically right now, if you have been waiting for an opportunity to open a long position, this is it. Don't use too much leverage, just maybe 3 or 5x, or start scaling into your position. You can start with just using very small. Let's say you usually open around $1,000 in position. You can start with $200. If it goes a little bit lower, you can add another $200 and more. That's a strategy. You just slowly scale into positions. You don't go all in at the beginning. It's very important also position sizing. Only use 1% or 2% maximum of your capital for a trading position. Like that, even if it goes the wrong way, you still have a lot of funds to open new positions and to make some more profits. Because if you use 100% of your capital and it goes the wrong way, you don't have any more funds to use for new trades, and you're basically sitting on the sideline. That's a very important rule for now. We can see here Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. Let's check out RSI. It's not oversold yet, so I don't know. I talked about in yesterday's video that we might go to 120, and the next good support line would be at 117,700. Let's see. We need a bounce right now. We are basically on the verge of a breakdown, unfortunately. So now we have to hold this position here and just be patient. For now, let's see, we are still holding quite well. I still think the market will probably go to the upside, because I'm going to talk about some interesting data that we have happening this week that would raise some questions. Why the market is going down if there is so much buying pressure for crypto and for Bitcoin and for Ethereum? That's the big question for now. Bitcoin, I already talked about the support. Here we have one, and the next one is here. And now we're basically just sitting on it. So we have to either bounce strongly right now, or we will probably go lower. But let's see, I think now it's a good opportunity to slowly scale into a Bitcoin trade. I think Bitcoin will still go to $141,000 and even higher. For now, we can see here my trade slowly, still almost 19k in profits here. Then I have some of my other trades, which are also, some of them are in profit, some of them are slightly in a loss. So that's how it works. You know, you can't win all of the trades. You have to be prepared for every situation. And right now you can see I have some trades are in the red and some trades are still massively in the profits right now. I might add to some of more of these positions. I think not today. I'm gonna wait if the market goes into the oversold zone. For now, I think the market is still not oversold yet, so we have to wait a little bit. Let's check out Ethereum, sitting at $4,317 right now. We are seeing a little bit of a head and shoulders formation, which is not so nice. The breakdown was here, so this would be around the $300 move. So let's say from here, $304,100 based on this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So let's see if it will happen or not. For now, we are also here having good support. We can see here this zone was very important for Ethereum, so we might bounce back to the upside. Next good and strong support would be at 4,132. Let's see, I hope we're not going to go there. I still think we can have a nice relief rally to the upside very soon and go for new higher highs, because guys, look at this. We have here the crypto ETF inflows, and just check this out, guys. Just in the past 10 days, there has been over 10 billions in ETFs inflows. And we can see here, the funds are buying like crazy. BlackRock, Grayscale, and many of the other ones we can see here, they are buying so much Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. That's crazy. I don't know how the market can go down right now because there is so much buying pressure and so much interest from the institutions right now. There is basically no retail, unfortunately, or not so much retail right now. The retail got shaken out during the volatility, but the retail will come again when the price will go higher. So I think once Ethereum will break above the all-time high, we might see some crazy gains for all the altcoins, and the retail will come back in and look for new opportunities. That's why it's also very important for all of you. Tell your friends about Bitcoin. Just maybe send them $10, $20 in Bitcoin so they can try it out, send some transactions, and learn more about it. It's very important that we are all basically Bitcoin evangelists. Talk about Bitcoin, share stuff about Bitcoin, share my videos with your friends so they can learn also. And even if they don't want to learn about Bitcoin, they can learn about technical analysis, start investing, start saving and investing, and compounding their capital. That's very important, guys. And if you want to trade like Simidu here, I have multiple positions open here on the VX platform. This is my favorite exchange right here. They have over 1,000 tokens that you can trade, and they also have a crazy opportunity for all of you. You can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses down below in the description and use that bonus to start your trading career. You can also just start with $100, $1,000, $100,000, or $1 million, depending on your risk portfolio. That's very important. Always play by the risk that you are comfortable with. Usually, I recommend using 1% of your capital for one trading position, or maybe maximum 2%. Don't use more because this will make much worse decisions when you are using too much margin for the positions. That's very important rule to learn. That was it for today's video. Make sure you're watching tomorrow's video, where I'm going to share the trading community for the decentralized family, where we are sharing trades, signals, and technical analysis just for the VIPs out there. Thank you for watching, and see you all again next time. Bye bye.